This is ADA Cardano news and technical analysis. We will talk about Cardano price prediction that each trader should know. To start with, we will talk about current trading signals. Daily Timeframe. The daily chart generated sell signal. Candlestick analysis present a series of bearish candlestick patterns. Supertrend indicator is bearish. ABC price action analysis suggests only short positions. Overall, only short positions make sense in this bearish environment on the daily time frame. 4-hourly time frame. The 4-hourly chart generated sell signal. Candlestick analysis present a series of bearish candlestick patterns. Supertrend indicator is bearish. ABC price action analysis suggests only short positions. Overall, only short positions make sense in this bearish environment on the 4-hourly time frame. 1-hour time frame. The hourly chart generated sell signal. Candlestick analysis present a series of bearish candlestick patterns. Supertrend indicator is bearish. ABC price action analysis suggests only short positions. Overall, only short positions make sense in this bearish environment on the hourly time frame. Watch until the end of this video to check out results of our second successful trading system. Cardano Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Can ADA save your portfolio in the long run? In the next few minutes we will talk more about 1. Cardano Price Prediction by top trading chart analyst. 2. Cardano Price Forecast. ADA price action hints at 25% pump. 3. Cardano Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Can ADA save your portfolio in the long run? Cardano Price Prediction by top trading chart analyst. Cardano, which was named after Augusta Ada King, was created in 2017 as a decentralized proof-of-stake network. It has gone through many ups and downs throughout its existence, but it has managed to keep its place in 2022, which is a dreadful year for the crypto industry. Our on-chain experts have seen a surge of significant payments from big whales flowing toward the hideaways. Cardano performance over time. Cardano is a small cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of 46 cents, which is less than its all-time high of $3.10, set in September 2021. Its price chart had various variations in 2022, but it effectively maintained its place with sufficient growth. The nicest thing about this small cryptocurrency is that it outperformed the crypto world's titans, Bitcoin and Ethereum, in terms of performance. Cardano price forecast for 2023. Predicting often entails examining many factors. Many crypto experts predict Cardano to explode in price after a steady year. Prices might average 72 cents, just over the all-time high. Consider the 3-month pricing chart. No significant price change means it has a higher chance of holding its position in 2023. Investors should anticipate big gains if the pace quickens. Cardano investors are looking at the hideaways offer if they want 20,000% returns. Why should Cardano owners buy HDWY? The hideaways is our researchers' biggest crypto of 2023 and next crypto to surge. Why you should purchase the hideaways? Real estate tokenization is the next big story in crypto markets. They hire rooms and arrange parties at the luxury resort. $ETH and $USDT yield 20% instead of meme currencies with phony yields. Solid proof. The auditing kings approved their deal. The most bullish launch ever. Cardano price forecast. ADA price action hints at 25% pump. Cardano's price climbed Monday, following Bitcoin and Ethereum. In 24 hours, smart contract token trades totaled $380 million. Positive short-term technicals forecast a 25% breakout. Cardano price breakout, supported by retail investors. Cardano's all-time high was $3.09 in September 2021. People with 100 to 1,000 tokens make up 1.15% of the network's circulating supply, up from 0.92% a year earlier. Similarly, addresses with 1,000 to 10,000 ADA tokens grew by 0.59% to account for 4.95% of the entire supply. Cardano is under pressure despite growing demand. Retailers must look forward. Bear markets seldom persist forever. Despite monotonous and violent markets, much progress is made. Cardano's Vassal hard fork is a milestone. With this software update, the IOHK managed blockchain gained increased scalability. Cardano is a DeFi market leader. It overtook Ethereum, Solana, and the BSC with smart contracts last year. MVRV dropped to minus 17.57%, putting ADA in a buy zone. Cardano's negative price correlation makes it a suitable HODL investment. An MVRV below the mean line means ADA is undervalued, which attracts investors. A reading above the mean line suggests ADA is expensive and investors will sell to take gains. Cardano Price Prediction. A descending wedge on the 12-hour chart is positive for ADA. Short-term optimism stems from 36 cents support. A falling wedge pattern signals a move north, but traders should wait for a break over the top declining trend line before initiating long bets. Before trend lines cross, a breakthrough is expected. Bullish advance frequently comes with volume rise. In the same time, MACD may advise a buy. As the blue 12-day EMA moves above the orange 26-day EMA, traders may utilize this momentum signal to confirm ADA's uptrend. Traders should grab profits wherever feasible since the market is technically bearish. The 50-day SMA is 41 cents, the 100-day is 44 cents, and the 200-day is 46 cents. IMPT, the green crypto that promises 50x profits. Every investor's objective is to build wealth, but the issue for many has always been finding jewels at an early stage, particularly in the crypto business. For example, some individuals purchased Bitcoin at around $1, while others purchased it at an all-time high of $69,000. IMPT is a green cryptocurrency that is presently in the presale phase. The coin may appeal to ESG investors looking to build a long-term portfolio. IMPT, according to the official website, has the ability to make the world greener than tokens such as Solar Coin, Power Ledger, and other POS currencies. Cardano Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Can ADA save your portfolio in the long run? On October 13th, Cardano reached a low not seen since February 2021. Since the September 22nd Vassal hard fork, ADA has been on a downtrend, with selling escalating on October 10th. Despite new lows and the risk of future drawdowns, the Cardano community supported the project. Despite the market sell-off on October 13th, MinSwap has achieved a new high. The Bitcoin market dipped Thursday after higher than expected inflation estimates, then rebounded. ADA and other alternative currencies lost a lot of value in 24 hours. Cardano's Vassal mainnet upgrade was launched on September 22nd after multiple delays. It claimed to boost network bandwidth and blockchain scalability. Cardano Foundation tweeted this. The 27th unlocked Vassal's full abilities. Cardano blockchain supports Plutus V2 cost model, reducing smart contract transaction costs. These adjustments should strengthen the ADA. This hadn't happened by press time. Andy Lyon, chief digital advisor at the Mongolian Productivity Organization, blames global financial turbulence. ADA peaked in 2021. ADA cost $3 in September 2021. The price fell again, before the bad market. These losses occurred in September and November 2021. Cardano has lost millions recently. ADA's value plummeted in September 2021. Before that, the price surged owing to smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain. ADA's price rose to $3. ADA has struggled for much of 2022, plummeting more than 80% from its $2.28 launch price. ADA, like other crypto markets, had a poor month in September, but key updates and excellent token fundamentals suggest a breakout in October. This month is excellent for cryptocurrencies historically. RSI and MACD stay below 50, signaling a bearish trend. Hence, Cardano is unlikely to hit $1 in the next 4 weeks. Peter Brandt projected ADA would drop to 25 cents. Solana and Avalanche are popular current blockchains. These have rapid transaction speeds and are a direct threat to Cardano. Cardano may need to watch its back. Cardano's price outlook is bullish despite recent losses. Cardano's long-term, scientifically planned development should make it one of the most technologically advanced blockchains. Cardano might soon outperform Ethereum and other blockchains. Cardano's outlook. ADA must be sensible, right? Experts predict ADA's success. Long-term ADA price forecasts are bullish. Cardano's community forecasts a price increase following the Vassal hard fork, based on Neural Profit's PyTorch-based price prediction algorithm. ADA will be valued $2.26 on August 31, 2022. Bitcoin maximalist Brian said on Twitter that Hoskinson may reduce ADA tokens due to centralization. Cardano has 45 million ADA coins. Twitter user suggested Crypto Tycoon might modify blockchain's money policy since it's adaptable. Hoskinson denied these accusations. He called the user stupid. Cardano's creator has criticized BTC maximalists before. In 2022, he called BTC maximalists toxic and useless. This was in reaction to MicroStrategy's CEO claiming ADA is an unregistered security. Cardano has rejected removing ADA tokens since they are already owned. Hoskinson said this is like robbing a neighbor. IOHK says 8 of the top Bitcoin exchanges have upgraded. Cardano's team is ready for the Vassal hard fork. 3 of the top 12 Cardano liquidity exchanges are ready. Gate.io. MEXC, Bitru, OKX, Whitebit, BTC Turk, Ascendex, and Revuto updated their systems. ADA must be sensible, right? Experts predict ADA's success. Long-term ADA price forecasts are bullish. How significant are these predictions? Cardano fell from $3.10 in September 2021 to 47 cents in July 2022. Only 75% of the coins are in circulation, allowing room for investors. Ethereum and Cardano may be fighting an upgrade war. It will be fascinating to watch what happens to the network and ADA after the Gauguin, Mary, and Vassal upgrades. Cardano is one of the most frequently traded crypto assets. Cardano wallets have grown, signaling positive cryptocurrency investors. ADA Star reports 121 new wallets were manufactured per hour during ADA's record-breaking price run, a 98% increase. Santiment says addresses with 10,000 to 10 million ADAS have accumulated more. These locations have contributed 0.46% of ADA's supply since July 27. In 10 days, the ADA raised $138 million. Cardano Blockchain Insights says 3,105 Plutus-based smart contracts are live. It has risen. July was 2,900. Cardano helps users construct blockchain-related apps. Positive expectations are consistent with ADA's optimistic position, which arises from network steps to increase its value. Cardano's Charles Hoskinson claims the Vassal hard fork is ready. Token supporters are captivated by its rebounding price. ADA hasn't responded much to the upgrading despite small increments. The cryptocurrency market's 2-month increase has boosted the coin. This video looks at Bitcoin's current market size and volume. Finally, expert and platform predictions will be compiled. Cardano Price Prediction, volume, and everything in between for ADA. At press time, Cardano ADA was worth 36 cents. It had a $12 billion market value and plummeted 2.94% in 24 hours and 13.51% in 7 days. Cardano Blockchain Insights predicted 3,577,849 ADA wallets on September 28. Cardano has almost 500,000 fresh holdings. Even the delay didn't sway ADA supporters. DeFi Llama's Cardano ADA TVL has dropped. At press time, $75.2 million was locked. Fluid Tokens, a DeFi loan platform, gained 54,000% in the previous month. TVL decreased from $326 million on March 24. PLAYN creator Matt Lobel predicts ADA will reach $1.50 by year's end. The management team's emphasis on quality will help ADA improve and avoid some of the quality difficulties other projects face, but its growth pace may be disappointing. The Morpher CEO agrees. ADA will be worth $1 by 2022. He says, since slow and steady wins the race. Ramani Ramachandran, CEO and co-founder of Router Protocol, predicts ADA will be valued 20 cents in 2022. September's forecast is 58 cents. The system predicted Cardano ADA would be worth $1.77 by September. If these projections seem excessively optimistic, realize there are reasons for optimism. According to the same Finder study, 20% of participants believe the Cardano ADA hard fork will have a favorable long-term impact on the altcoin's price. Another 17% think it will soon be beneficial. Trading System 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the daily timeframe. The daily chart generated sell signal using Coral Trading System. Candlesticks show a lot of bearish candlestick patterns. Only short positions should be entered if trader uses 4-hourly or 1-hourly timeframes. Trading System 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 4-hourly timeframe. The 4-hourly chart generated sell signal. Candlestick analysis present a series of bearish candlestick patterns. Coral indicator-based trading system generated sell signal. Stochastic indicator also supports the overall signal. Short positions only make sense in this bearish environment on the 4-hourly timeframe. Trading System 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 1-hour timeframe. The hourly chart generated sell signal. Candlestick analysis present a series of bearish candlestick patterns. Stochastic indicator is supporting keeping short positions. Coral indicator-based trading system generated sell signal. Write down below in the comments what is your strategy for the next few days. Click the card on the either left or right to get to more Cardano price prediction analysis and Ethereum technical analysis and Ethereum classic news. Also, we present analysis on Bitcoin news today. We cover XRP, BTC, LUNC, BNB, and Shiba Inu coin. Check our playlists for the ETH technical analysis and free technical analysis trading course.